Hi everyone, we're here on the first Northshore Lunar New Year celebration. Yeah, we're talking lion dances, lanterns, and of course, the Vietnamese banh mi's. It's all brought together by our amazing community. Let's go see what it looks like inside. This is an amazing opportunity here on the North Shore side celebrating our Lunar New Year culture. I got Father Kong here from St. Peter Catholic Church.
Yeah, I'm happy to be hosting this here at St. Peter's in Covington, mission of the Archbishop and the pastor, Father Brew. And we know how important our Catholic faith and our culture is, and that really shows that because it allows us to thank God for the blessings of a new year. And in Vietnam, the celebration goes on for 2 weeks. So here in a small way, we have this celebration, and so we hope to build on it in the coming years, having it every year here, and then hopefully we can have new faces next year too.
Hi, I've got the owner of Focon Noodles and Grill here.
Hi, my name is Uyên. This year is the first time we do it Lunar New Year. Welcome everybody to come over here and celebrate with us. Chúc Mừng Năm Mới.
One of the things that make today so special is the amazing community members that came to make this possible. We came over here fixing up to a little tree. What is this tree?
Hi, so this tree in Vietnam we call it cây mai. Cây mai is bring good luck to our culture, and it's a must for every household, just like a Christmas tree. During Christmas, you have a Christmas tree, right? So in Vietnam, we have cây mai.
Well, that's just amazing, and everyone needs a little bit of luck, so you better come here tomorrow and see it out. All right, everyone, yesterday was all about getting ready, and today is the big day. At 5, we have Mass led by Father Cuong, Father Brew, and Father Mun. And we have the dragon dance going from the St. Peter Church all the way to the St. Mary Hall. And you wouldn't want to miss what's coming, so you better stay and watch.
Người ta cùng nhau mua dưa, người ta cùng nhau mua hoa, cầu mong một năm mới hẹn tiếng lên kèn vui đùa, chào đón lộc đến xuân đang về, khoác thêm lên thân mình một chiếc áo có tên mùa xuân. Tết năm nay yên bình, hoa lá khoe sắc trên con đường, vứt đi bao ưu phiền, ngày tháng bóng trở nên đẹp xinh. Và thế là Tết đã đến rồi, ta phải sớm đón Tết, trà hoa và bánh mứt Tết mùa về.
Yeah, so this was a great experience. I'm super glad that I got to be a part of it. Glad that we got to do it on the North Shore for the first time, and I hope to be able to be a part of it in future years.
This is my first time at TET, and I was just really happy to be able to come out and experience this and enjoy their culture.
I'm excited that this is my first time I've ever done something like this before, and I'm excited to see the Vietnamese culture, being able to see it on the North Shore.
Yeah, no, I can't think of a better way to immerse myself in such a beautiful culture. It was such a great experience for me, and if they let me, I'll be doing it next year also, so I couldn't be happier about it.
Hi, my name is Henry. This is my first time being here and doing the Lions dance for a TED celebration. I'm very happy to be here tonight. It's wonderful to see all these families come together of different ages and such to start the new year right, especially here at St. Peter's, where they can put God at the start of this year with Mass. It's a wonderful thing to see this God and faith-centered community here while also expressing their Vietnamese culture. Beautiful thing to see, and I'm happy to be here and celebrate today. Thank you.
The turnout of this event was amazing. I mean, as you can see, we had to go to another room because it was so loud over there. Father, how do you feel this went?
Yeah, we didn't know how many people were going to show up. One of the people helping me to plan, she actually made a bet with me that if we had less than 300 people, to pay for a steak dinner. But there's more than 300 people, so I think I'll get a steak dinner from that bet. But it was a very beautiful mass, very emotional for me growing up, serving for Vietnamese mass, so being able to celebrate, hearing all the beautiful Vietnamese singing, and so it reminded me of my first mass as a priest. And here we had, I think, over 600 people, and so I'm just so overjoyed to see the generous help. This all came together in 3 weeks, so all the restaurants, all the volunteers, and so it was a very beautiful thing to see everybody come out to support, and so hopefully we can do it again in a year.
Well, I agree, and I can't thank everyone that partook in this. It took many hands to get this together, so we can't wait to see what we have in store next year. So see y'all next year.